Right, fellas? How y'all doing out there? Just for all them 360 diggers doing y'all's thing. We gotta go help my little comrade over there. You can see yonder distance, my little comrade done flipped this little truck over there yonder. So we gonna go get him upright. Look, I ain't gonna lie, everybody who's a machine operator, if you done been in multiple machines, bro, if you've been doing this for a while, you flip something. I don't care if it's a mini excavator, I don't care if it's a skid steer, I don't care if it's a compact sheepfoot roller, I don't give a fuck if it's a truck tailbed. Everybody done flip something, right? If you haven't, hey, congratulations, you ain't no real operator. Now, so, my boy was riding on some pretty level ground and flipped this shit. Hey, shit happens, right? You know what I mean? So, what we gonna do is we're gonna make sure get them flipped back over, right? Because shit happens. You know that? No big deal. Alright, so we can see him over there down yonder. Little flip, not too bad. Just a bit, not too bad. So what happens? The only thing that's going to be hurt in this scenario is his pride. That's it. He'll go home, tell his wife how stupid he is, and she's going to agree with him, and tell him she's glad he's okay. Because somebody got to pay the bills, you know? Don't make me turn this truck around. Turn this truck around.
Always back out of your way for a second.
Yes, sir. What's up,
Want somebody in it just in case or no?
He doesn't have to.
The truck turned off.
He doesn't have to be in it. It's not going to make any difference.
Yeah, because the brake should be engaged. The whole truck.
He doesn't need to be in it. Either way.
Go off.
Yeah, just let him stay down for now.
Alright, double check.
Yeah, I've flipped it back over with somebody in the cab. We had somebody point it down.
Yeah, well, he's pointing it down too. Believe me.
right there. Well, fellas, that's all it was. Okay, so you gonna have a little bruised ego. Nothing much to worry about. Flip them over and we get you going again. That's it. You know what I'm talking about? All right, guys. Y'all let me know how your day's going out there on them 360 diggers and out there on them civil job sites. Come on back.